let's look at what's included within the box. So firstly, you have the instruction manual, so pretty useful if you need to know how to get set up. You then also have the plastic pry tool, which is needed to remove the mirror housing. We are going to be installing an Audi Q7, so in a second you'll see that the dash cam is actually set up to replace that from an OEM perspective. So here's the dash cam itself. You can see it comes included with a SD card, micro SD card ready, and pretty much everything you need in the kit to go. You then have the power cable, which will plug into the rain harness. So the way it does this is effectively it piggybacks off that. So that's how you get the power. So I'll show you that just now in a second. So part of this cable here is the harness itself. So that's if you want to take the power directly from the rain sensor. They do also bundle in the hardwired kit. So if you didn't have a rain sensor to take a feed from, there's a hardwired kit